Hey guys, today in my kitchen we are making a simple sheet pan supper. It is called cheesy fajita chicken. Whether you're an expert in the kitchen or just want something simple for a beginner, this is the recipe for you. So welcome to my kitchen and see what I am cooking. You will need some salt and pepper, fajita seasoning of your choice, some pre-shredded cheddar cheese, little bit of oil, and chicken breasts, or you can use thighs. The only thing I am not including in this recipe is a vegetable side, but I will do something simple like peas or corn or whatever I have available. We are going to start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and letting that come to temperature. Next, we are going to line our sheet pan that I have here with some parchment paper. Next, we are going to place our chicken on our sheet pan. Breast side up if you can. Coat with a bit of oil. Just a little bit. It'll help the spices stick to it. And we are going to want to season both sides of our chicken. Start with some salt and pepper, just on the one side. It's better to season from a height because then you get it all over the chicken. And then you don't have to worry about always going around like so. Next, we are going to take our fajita mix and sprinkle a little bit of it over top. And then we are just going to brush that in a bit so it sticks. Now flip the chicken over and season the other side. And flip them back so the chicken breast side is up, so the flatter side. Next, we will add our cheese. Simply sprinkle on your cheese generously over your chicken. Like so. If you want a more gooey cheese, you can always leave this off until the last 5 minutes of baking. And that way it'll become more creamy rather than crispy. I am going for a little bit crispier this time around. Once our oven preheats, we will put the chicken in for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Once it goes into the oven, I am just going to reheat some frozen peas in my microwave. Now that my oven is preheated, I am gonna put my chicken in for 30 minutes. I will also put my peas in now, roughly 4 minutes for the peas if they're frozen. While the chicken roasts in the oven, why don't you go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my channel? It really helps out my channel a lot, and I greatly appreciate those that do. And then now that our chicken is done, we're gonna remove it from the oven. Oh yeah, that did not disappoint. Now what you are gonna do is you're gonna slice the chicken and then you're gonna serve it alongside your peas, plain and simple. I'll have a try after this. Oh, and it is really hot, so I'm gonna let it cool before I slice into it. If you want to be sure that your chicken is cooked, simply take a knife and poke it into the thickest part way down. And if the juices run clear like mine are doing, then your chicken is done and you are good to go. I would do that with each of your chicken breasts to be sure that they're all nice and evenly cooked. Mine look good, so I am good to go. And now that these are done, I'm just gonna give them a good slice up. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Ignore my awful chopping skills, please. Because apparently the cheese just wants to separate from the chicken. Which is fine. I'm eating you all anyway. This is what it looks like when it is finished. Now let's try it out. I am gonna go for an end piece just because I feel like it. Mm-hmm. It is so easy, but so effective. If you have a packet of fajita seasoning, if you have a packet of fajita seasoning, some cheese, some chicken, any type of veg, salt and pepper and oil, I highly recommend. Oh man, I cracked myself out. Oh my gosh, words, I tell ya. I cracked myself up. Uh, one second. I highly recommend you make this if you have all the ingredients. It is so, so good, and I could not have made anything better myself. So go try it. Banana. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time. Banana.